up, everybody? Back to do another quick unboxing. I know it's been a while since I posted. I'll try to get more frequent. Try to get those likes up. Subscribers. You know. So right now what I'm gonna do is I got me a skin from Sopiguard. It's the blue honeycomb. And Sopiguard, they're known for giving you a cleaning cloth. And this is for the Z Fold 3. They also give you an alcohol wipe so that you can go ahead and clean off your case. I mean your phone, sorry. I started using Sopiguard skins on my iPhone 12 and I like the way it came out. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it another shot so I can get more grip and everything on the back when I don't want to use my case. This is looking nice. Later on, I'm gonna go ahead and use a blow dryer to heat it up so it can stick a little better. Ooh, it's looking good. All right, there you go. Until the next time, peace.